What is up, fam? The V-Twin Skinz shop truck is going under the knife. We're stripping it down to build it back better than ever. We're documenting every single panel. No secrets, just pure craftsmanship. This is the ultimate South Florida work rig. From updates to aesthetics, we've done the heavy lifting. It's reliable, it's rugged, and it's about to be the sleekest truck on the job site. Want to see the full build? Head over to @AlfredRaps on YouTube to follow this new video series. Check out V-TwinSkinz.com for our full line of premium PPF. This beast is going to sell soon. If you're in the South Florida area looking for your next work truck, hit us up.
Let me see some pretty titties, bend it over if you with it. Shake your ass for your city. 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 I said don't stop, get it, get it. I said don't stop, get it, get it. I said don't stop, get it, get it. I said don't stop. Don't stop, 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 get it, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
Ella era una fanática que nunca se perdía mis shows. Un emoji de diablito al DM y así fue que empezó todo. Que me andaba buscando, que estaba soltera y a Miami llegó. Porque no se aguantó. Y nos fuimos a dar una vuelta en el mar y con ella me la soy yo. Dice que tranquilo, que come calla, ella quiere que le dé yo. Y nos fuimos a dar una vuelta en el mar y con ella me la soy yo. Dice que tranquilo, que come calla, ella quiere que le dé yo. Ella me dio la entrada, yo ya sabía, quería que le quitara.